In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up bank feeds in Xero. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their accounting by automatically importing bank transactions into Xero. We'll take this step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, you're going to need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page where you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you've entered your email and password, go ahead and click on the login button. If you're logging in for the first time, you might need to go through some security checks, so be prepared to verify your identity if required. Next, once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard is your home base in Xero, providing a snapshot of your financials. Look for the accounting tab at the top of the screen and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select bank accounts. This is where all your bank details and transactions will be managed in Xero. Now here's where the main setup begins. On the bank accounts page, you'll see an option to add bank account. Click on that. You'll then be presented with a list of banks. If your bank appears on the list, simply select it. If you don't see your bank listed, use the search bar to find your bank by entering its name. After selecting your bank, you'll be directed to a page asking you to log into your bank account. Click Continue to proceed to your bank's login page. This part is crucial as it establishes the connection between Xero and your bank account, allowing transaction data to flow directly into your Xero software. Once you've logged into your bank account, you'll need to agree to share your account information with Xero. Follow the sharing steps on your bank's page, which typically involves granting permission for data sharing. Once completed, you'll be redirected back to Xero. At this stage, your bank account is now successfully connected to Xero. The system will automatically import your transactions, updating your financial data. Be sure to check for any connection notifications in Xero regularly to ensure that your bank feeds are running smoothly. And there you have it. With everything set up, you can now enjoy a more automated approach to managing your finances, saving you both time and effort in the long run. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.